Have you ever wondered how apps, games, or websites actually works? How does your phone know what to do when you tap on something? Well, the answer is programming. Programming is basically giving instructions to a computer, just like you follow a recipe to cook food. A computer follows instructions written by a programmer. These instructions are written in special languages called programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. There are tons of languages in the market. So, in simple words, programming is equal to telling a computer what to do. Let's take an example. Imagine you tell someone to bring water. The person will follow these steps. The person will go to the kitchen first, take a glass, pour water, and bring it to you. But how do you know these steps? Because humans can think. You don't need someone to tell you every single step. Your brain automatically figure it out. But a computer is not like that. A computer cannot think on its own. That's where programming comes in. In programming, we define these small steps that the computer follows. Programming is everywhere. It is used in mobile apps, websites, games. Almost every digital thing you use today runs on a programming. Programming is important because it helps us tell computers what to do and solve real world problems. It allows us to build apps, websites, and games that we use every day. With programming, we can automate boring tasks and save time. Many people think programming is difficult, but actually, it is just about practice. At the beginning, it might feel confusing, but step by step, it becomes easier and even fun. So, now you know that what is programming. By giving clear instructions and defining every step, you can control exactly what a computer does. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how to write programs and make them run step by step. You will see how simple it can be to turn your ideas into working apps, games, or tasks a computer can do for you. So, stay in touch.